Hi everyone, and welcome to another Storytime Saturday. My name's Helena Murray, and today we are going to be reading Nature is an Artist. This book was provided to us once again by our friends over at Brightside Bookshop. Make sure to visit them online or in store to find this book and other great reads. Nature is an Artist by Jennifer Lavalley, illustrated by Natalia Colombo. Nature is an artist, skilled beyond compare. Look at its creations in the water, earth, and air. We can all be artists. Nature shows us how. So many styles to choose from. Let's get started now. With a splash of color, nature paints a scene, hills against the sunrise, gold and rose and green. We finger paint a picture, dab daisies in a field, thumbprint bees and shaggy trees, a lazy day revealed. Summer flowers scatter petals all around. Nature makes a fine collage on the grassy ground. We pick slips of paper, then one by one, we paste them down in order. Our masterpiece is done. Nature is a sculptor, molding rock and clay. Wind and rain and water carve slowly day by day. We too make some sculptures, packing sand, and soon our towers are so tall they seem to reach the moon. Nature etches artwork waiting to be found, fossilized impressions hidden underground. We create like nature by stamping on a sheet, stars and swirls and circles, press with paint, repeat. Nature makes a rainbow of colors splashed up high. Rain and sun together formed stained glass in the sky. We tear shapes from tissue to decorate a jar. Inside we put a tea light that twinkles like a star. Deserts, oceans, sunsets, mountains topped with snow, nature's always making. The world is its art show. At home, along the mantle, we treasure our keepsakes, celebrating every day all that nature makes. The end. Thank you so much for joining me to read this story today. Come out to the Arboretum to see what nature has made here, and we can't wait to see you then. Thanks so much. Bye.